on Korea in this final game. Now the hockey superstars of this stage, of this lovely turf, with a vibrant, good blue colours, starting from Team India's lineup here. Krishna Bahadur Pathak, and in the goalkeeping position, Jugraj Singh, Harmanpreet Singh, Sanjay and Sumit in the defence, Kim Jae-han, the goalkeeping position, then Min, Jae-kang, Jae-hoon, Hee-sung in the defence, Jae-won, Jong-suk, Heon in the mid-regions. That's been still good efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming you all once again to Euro Asia Cup, Rajgir Bihar 2025. First quarter has begun here. India slightly with a little aggressive start. Hopefully they would look forward. They want the aggression to be shown up here, but Korea, they would likely have a lot of things. Is that a goal? What has happened here? Team India, Tomahawk from what a distance. Sukhjit Singh, are you kidding? This is unbelievable start for Team India. And the whole crowd, 10,000 people crowd in this stadium, they go crazy. What a focus. Harmanpreet Singh giving the ball, focusing it brilliant. This is such a lovable sight. Tomahawk, and what a way to go for the first goal. Goosebumps all the way. Right, the journey is headed to a perfect win, I guess, for Team India. But wait on, hold on, it's just the start. Gives the ball to pass it up front. Rajendra Singh, circle striking entry. Good goal. Oh, looks likely they want a penalty stroke. There's a penalty stroke coming on, and Mandeep is very happy. Rajendra with the pass, striking circle entry. And Dilpreet again with another good pass. Just waited, wanted to go for it. With around like 80 plus games of experience. Oh, that has been a save. Lovely save here from Kim Jae-han. This is lovely. Oh, great save. Also good position. Aerial ball collected by Sanjay. Striking circle, looking good. Could be a goal for Team India. And Dilpreet Singh does it really good. Second goal for Team India. Much needed at the moment. Everyone was waiting for this time to go on. Everyone, they were all waiting for when this time is going to come for Team India. Those were the waitings. Those were likely the wait and wait. It was a long wait for the fans and even for Team India. They were unbelievable. Good race. Korea with the ball. Going really good. Striking circle entry. Number 49. Choi Chang-kia. Maybe an opportunity for goal, but the defenders of India say it's not easy. Wait on. Vivek Sagar Prasad. This was the effort, the last effort, the attempt, and how Vivek Sagar Prasad had a very good reflection and very good eyes on the ball. The fans are waiting for that good reply, and even I'm waiting for what is the thing we are going to witness from Team Korea here. And good opportunity. This is what they were looking ahead for. Sim Jae was waiting for this. It was a good ball hit coming right from the right flank, and again number 8 was there involved. The umpire has called it as a penalty corner. Captain Lee Jung-jun goes for the injection here. Injection. Trapped, has been a little fumble. They'll go for a little combination, but India won't be allowing. That goes for another penalty corner. Boot of Harmanpreet. Again they'll go for the injection. Track flick. A lovely save. Well, Team Korea, they go head forward. Was another opportunity, but Manpreet. What a man. Former Indian captain. Manpreet. A lovely effort. Counter-attack very immediately. And look at Dilpreet, what he has done out there. So this was the attempt of penalty corner, and how good it was a save from Team India. And the counter-attack was visibly a positive note, but it ended up in a negative note that they couldn't just. Abhishek with another good hit. So penalty corner, they went with the video referral to take the penalty corner, but their Team India wasn't convinced, and it wasn't a positive result for Team India, the video referral. And and as well as Amit Rohidas back to the move. Hardik to injection, trap flick, a good move from Harmanpreet, the captain. Captain Harmanpreet, his flick after the league matches stage in the Super Force, and even today he hasn't played a big vital part with the goals. Some things, likely the captaincy has been good. He has given chances to the rest of the players. He has tried to gather all the players. That has been all fine. But what I'm mentioning here is the drag flick of Harmanpreet is not quite clinching up a positive note for Team India. Good move again. Another opportunity. Dilpreet, who was actually interested to get a goal for Team India. That's the second goal. A third goal for Team India. Second one from Dilpreet here. Gets it done. Takes a good opportunity again. Third quarter penalty corner conversion into a beautiful goal. The ball just got rebounded. They waited for things and they just went ahead with all those opportunities. On a penalty corner, long corner, and they shifted the way here. A lovely combo pass, a lovely margin to go ahead. Dilpreet again with the ball. Is there another goal going to come for Team India? He's trying to pick the ball up. He's trying to get a penalty corner for Team India. Along with the co-umpire's call, Ravi Edvanathan says, yes, that's a penalty corner. And this is where the trouble that has created for Team Korea once again. Dilpreet, he was just indeed waiting for a little tomahawk so he could hit the defender's foot with the ball. Hardik with the injection, drag flick, not the drag flick, but the hit has come. Another goal for Team India, goal number 4. Sumit does it all the way. What a real good compassion, what a real good comeback is this from Team India. Every game has been a convincing, real good victory here. Amit Rohidas does it this way for Team India. Goal number 4. This is lovely. This is so fantastic. And the journey is much more interesting. And he's happy because you know what the time it is. What is going to be the signal here? Oh, yellow card? No, not yellow card, hopefully. Number 25, Rajkumar Pal, and who has involved in the push? Lee Jung Jun, captain, to take the injection. Injection, trap, not the drag, but it is good combination. First goal, reply from Korea. As I said, there are still miracles to come in position, come in play, and that could spoil the party of